Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So how are you today, Jang? Are you happy today?
Con tên là Minh.
Yes or no? No?
Yeah. Trả lời cô.
Did you already eat your dinner, Jang? Because
Yes.
yes, that's very good because Nam is eating
Yes.
vegetable right now. Okay, so for the both of you, so are you ready for our today's lesson? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, so okay, so
Enough.
we will for our today's lesson, so we will
Oh.
talk about, let's say, plain animals.
Ah.
Okay, so
What do you do?
for our lesson for today, we will talk about plain, let's say, let's read our lesson. Let's say plains.
Enough. Eat.
Okay, let's read plains animals. Yes, very good. So for our lesson for today, Nam and Jang, so we will talk about plains animals. So these are the animals that lives in the plains. So we will talk about those animals right now. So are you so are you ready to learn those animals?
Cái này chứ. Chat. Chat GPT mà.
Are you ready? Ready? Are you ready?
Chat.
Okay, so let's start our lesson. So let's go with our next page. Okay, so let's look at this picture. So we call this place plains. Let's say plains. Let's say plains. Yes, very good. So what place is this? This is, so we call this place plain. So this is where plain animals live. So let's go and learn what are those animals that lives in the plain. So let's go with our first animal. What animal is this?
It is a giraffe.
Oh wow, very good, Jang. So this is a giraffe. Very good. How about this?
I can
Uh,
see. Is I can see.
you
Ocras.
can see?
Yes.
Why? Why you can see? Okay,
It's a
let me
Oscar.
reshare. Can you see now?
No.
Still no?
Yes. It
Jang,
is a Oscar.
ostrich. Jang can
No.
see. Hmm. Let me see. Okay, just one moment.
Mẹ con gì đây?
How about now? Can you see, Nam?
Ủa?
Let's try. Let's try. How about now, Nam? Can you see
Yes.
screen? Yes. Okay. So now let's go with our second animal. So this animal is, so very good, Jang. So this animal is an ostrich. So let's see, ostrich.
Ostrich.
Very good. Next, let's go with our next animal. What animal is this?
Fox.
Wow, very good, Jang. So this is a fox. Okay, so Nam, can you see the
Yeah.
screen?
What
You can see now?
Yes, I like.
You like? How about Nam? Can you see the screen? Can you see the animals?
Yes. Fox.
Yeah. How about Nam?
Fox.
Fox, very good. So good job. So this is a fox. How about our next animal? What animal is this?
Elephant.
What animal is this? This one.
Elephant.
Elephant. So this is an elephant. Very good. How about our
It
next?
is an elephant.
Very good, John
It
and
is
Mom.
a crocodile.
This is crocodile. Very good. So this is a crocodile. How about our next animal?
It's a lion.
Very good. So fast now. So this
Lion.
is,
It's eat meat.
yes, the lions eat
Oh,
meat. No? What
meat
does,
elephant.
oh, meat elephant? They eat elephant?
Yes.
Okay, so next,
Did
let's
you
go
like
with,
a parrot?
did you like a
Oh,
parrot?
Mom.
Parrot?
Did you like Jeff?
Yes, I like parrots because they can speak.
No, because a zebra.
Next, what
Zebra.
animal
Because
is this?
it's really cute. It's a zebra.
It's really cute. Very good. So this is a zebra. Very good. So now let us learn more about these animals. So let's go with our next page. Okay, let's look.
The fox.
The fox. Very good. So now let's read something about the fox. Can you read this one? Can you read this one, Nam?
What?
Can you read?
Small animal with a boxy tail. It's clever and fast.
Wow, very good. So when we say fox, so it is a small animal and it has a bushy tail. It is clever. When we say clever, it is smart, smart, clever. And it can run very, very, very fast in the plane. So this is our,
This rat very, very slow.
huh? The fox is really, really slow.
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
Why
It's mom ants.
it is?
It's very small and slow. Small
Small.
Oh, you
No,
have one leg.
it has one leg. It
You
has
have one
four.
leg.
I
Okay,
have
but
two legs
no, I can see your leg.
because it is down there.
Where?
There. I can
No, it's one
stand
leg.
two legs. Okay, so let's
I can see one.
okay, now let's go
No,
with
you
our
eat a snake, but you don't have legs.
I don't have legs. Okay, let's go with our
Elephant.
the elephant. So
Elephant.
this
The
very
elephant.
good. So this is the elephant. So let's read something about the elephant.
The elephant. It is big. The best animal of the planet. It has a long trunk and big ears.
Very, very good. So the elephant is the biggest animal on the plane. So let's read this word again. Let's say planes. Planes. Let's say planes, planes, planes. So we read this word as planes. So the elephant, so it has a long trunk. So when we say trunk, so this is the trunk of the elephant. And it also has big ears. These are the ears of the elephant. Okay. And for this one, let's have here our sentence. So let's read the sentence. The elephant, I can, let's read. The elephant uses its trunk to drink water. So the elephant, so it uses this trunk for it to drink water in the plains. That's why its trunk is very long because it uses it for drinking. So that is the trunk of the elephant. Okay, next, let's go to our next animal. So let's read this animal. Let's say
The giraffe.
the giraffe.
The giraffe.
Very good. So now let's read about the giraffe. What is the giraffe?
It have a long neck. It has very long neck to reach tree. It has very long neck to reach tree leaf.
Very good. So let's read this word again. Let's say reach. Reach.
Đẹp con.
It
Okay,
is born
yes.
baby giraffe.
Baby giraffe. So even baby giraffe, so they have a very very long neck because they use their neck. It is
Has a long neck.
yes, it has a
No,
long no.
it's super tall.
Super tall, very good. So this is the tallest animal in the plains, and it has a very very long neck that this giraffe uses its neck to reach the tree. Okay, for it to eat. So the food of the giraffe are the leaves of the tree. Okay, so that is the giraffe. So next, let's go with our next animal. What is the name of our next
The
animal?
lion.
The lion. Very good. So this is the lion. So the lion is known as, what is the lion known for? The lion is, let's read, known as,
N.
known as
E.
L-I.
Lion.
Very good. Lion is the spelling of the lion. So the lion, it is known as the king. It is the king of the plains because it is strong.
No, a tiger. No, a
No,
dinosaur. A
dinosaur.
bear. A
Dinosaurs.
dinosaur. No,
Dinosaurs.
a dragon.
Dragons don't
It can
exist.
break sun.
It can.
No,
Good
it's a
job.
snake. Snake.
Snake. Snake is the king of the
No,
plains.
it's teacher.
Teacher is the king. I am the king.
I can
What can you eat?
eat a computer.
Computer.
Eat the king. Eat the king.
You can eat the king.
Eat the king.
Okay, so for this one, the lion is
Eat the
considered
king.
as the king of the plains because it is strong and brave. That is why they are known as the king of the plains. Next, let's go with our next animal. What is the name of this animal? A zebra. The zebra, very good. So what does a zebra looks like? The zebra
Look like a horse with black and white stripes.
very good. One more time, let's say stripes.
Stripes.
Very good. So for this one, this animal,
Like a chest.
yes, so
The
this
sun a
animal,
chest.
yes, you can see a zebra on
But
a chess piece.
it's not a tiny chest.
It's not a tiny chess. But we have a piece of chess that looks like a zebra. So very good. So for this one, the zebra, so it looks like a horse. But the difference between the horse and the zebra, so the zebra has black and white stripes. Yes. And most of the horses, they are color brown,
Is
white, black.
the bedroom level 767.
767? That's a lot. That's a lot. Okay, so now let us go with our next animal. What animal is this?
The ostrich.
Okay, very good. One more time. Let's say ostrich.
A coconut.
Like a coconut. Why does it looks like a coconut? Why does it looks like a coconut? Because it has like this, the brown
Yes.
body. Yes. So it does look like a coconut. So this is the ostrich. Let's say ostrich.
Oscar.
Ostrich. Okay, so for the ostrich, so it is known as the biggest bird. It cannot fly.
Run very slow.
Run very slow. The ostrich can run very fast. It can chase you
Slow. It
very
is
fast.
not the ostrich has enough. It has 0 legs.
It has 0 legs. How about this
Yes.
one? What is this?
I can see its legs. It has no legs.
It has 2 legs.
No legs.
It
has no legs. 3 legs.
it has 3 legs.
It has 100 legs. It has infinite hand and infinite
That's a lot.
legs.
Infinite.
Legs.
Okay. So good job.
Because
So
it can run very fast. It can
yes.
run very fast, but it have very
Very very what?
it have 100 legs.
100 legs.
It has 500.
500.
There is no leg. There is no leg.
Jang, you don't have legs.
It is in the 99 in the forest.
99 nights in the forest.
No leg. There is a snake in Duncan Claw.
Jang can crawl. Jang, you are a snake.
Teacher and Dang is a snake.
We are a snake. Jang, we are a
No,
snake.
I am a people. I am a people, and you and Dang is a
Are
snake.
snakes. Are snakes. And you are a person. So when
No,
we
I am a people.
people, you are a lot. So we use the word people when we are talking about 2 or more people. But we use the word person if we are only talking about 1 person. So you are a person.
How old are you?
Me, how old is me? I am 18 years old.
18. Can fly. How old are you?
I am 18 years old.
100. Oh. No.
No, I look so young.
Why but you don't go to school?
I don't go to school because I am already graduate. I already graduate.
You say you are 18 years old. Why but you know why but you no want to go to school?
I am an advanced student. That's why I graduated
No,
early.
but you say 18 years old. Why?
That's a joke. Teacher is just kidding. I am 23 years old.
I am 7 years old.
Years, yes.
My sister
How
15.
15 years old? Your sister is 15 years old?
And my father is 45.
Oh, 45. How about you
And
now?
my mother is 30.
30 years
My
old?
grandmother is 66 and my grandpa is 71.
Wow. Wow, you know a
My
lot about your
grandfather is 67 years old.
67
And
years
that is 67.
67 years old.
No, 67.
67? Okay, so now let's go back with our lesson. So what
It's a
what
crocodile.
crocodile? Very
The
good.
alligator.
Alligator. Yes, we can call it also an alligator.
No, alligator is very big and a crocodile
Is
very small.
Yes, very good.
It's a baby crocodile.
Yes, very good, Nam. So alligator is really big. However, the crocodile is just small. So that is the difference between the two animals. So now let's read something about the crocodile.
Repeat that live near water. It has short teeth.
Yes.
The crocodile went quickly in the river. The alligator is very big. The crocodile is just small.
Very good. So now let's read this word again. Nam. Let's say reptile.
Reptile.
Very good. Quietly.
Quietly.
Yes, good job. So when we say a crocodile, so it is considered as a reptile.
A crocodile can talk.
Huh? The crocodile can talk?
Yes.
Where? Where did you saw a crocodile that
Crocodile
talks?
toy.
Your crocodile toys.
No,
So,
I don't have a crocodile toy.
oh, you don't have a crocodile toy.
Yes.
What animals do you have as a
I
toy?
have Russia.
Russia? Russia is a
Yes.
country.
I don't have anymore.
You don't have any more.
I have a parrot. But
Parrot.
it's not a toy.
It's not a toy, it's a real
There
parrot.
are 4 parrots.
Wow, that's a lot. You have 4 parrots. Very good.
Two parrots died.
Your 2 parrot had died?
Yes.
Oh no, that's so sad.
In the Cuba.
Cuba. Cuba.
And my dad has 4
Okay, so now let's move on with our next one. So what do we call this place?
plains.
Very good. So we call it the plains. Let's say plains.
Hey.
Okay, so when we say plains, so it is let's read this one. It is a wide,
It's a wide open land with grass and few trees. Many animals live Here.
Very good. So most of the big animals, so they live in the plain. So like the big animals such as elephant, giraffe, so lion, so they all live in the plain. So most of the big animals, so they live in the plains. So when we
Big.
super
Big
big.
is big the sun and the ether and the moon.
Very good.
Water.
Okay, so when we say plane
My
or planes,
the helicopter and the beach.
wow,
In
wow.
the
Okay,
papel.
in the
In the
okay, so
papel.
in the okay, okay, so for this one, when we say
The-
plane, it is a
No,
white
teacher.
place.
Her name. Her name is not. It's not Dang.
It's Najang.
Oh.
Okay.
Papel. Papel.
uh,
Papel.
Papiao, what is that?
Papel.
Hapiao, what is that?
Tô màu cái gì ta?
Papel. Oh, teacher, I can match, but I don't have, but I can't draw.
How about now? Can you draw now?
No,
Try. Try
no,
it.
I can't.
You cannot again.
Yes, I can.
Try. I already
No,
opened the pen. Look for
I
the pen.
can't. No, I look, but I can't see.
It is open.
No,
No?
no.
Let's just say the word for us to match. What place is this? Oh,
It's
Jang.
plans.
Yes, plane. So Jang
Papel.
can draw. How about you?
Papel. Papel.
Jang can use the pen. How about you? You can still use the pen?
Plans.
Planes. Very good. Next one. What animal
It's a
is
giraffe.
giraffe? Now match the
Papel.
word in the
Papel.
picture, Jang.
Papel.
Very good. Next one. What animal is this? It is the
It's
biggest
a
bird.
giraffe.
This one. Very good, Jang. What animal is that? What is the name of the animal?
It's a giraffe.
This one.
No,
Below.
it's an ostrich.
Ostrich. Very good. Next. What animal is this?
It's a fox.
It's a fox. Very good. Very good to the both of you. Next. How about
It's
this
an
one?
elephant.
Elephant. Very good. How about you, Jang? What animal is this? Can you match? Very
A lion.
good.
And it's a lion.
This one? This one is a lion?
Crocodile.
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 Very good. So this is a crocodile. So next, what animal is this?
A lion. And it's
The
zebra.
lion. And
It's
next
zebra.
is
Zebra.
very good. So this is the zebra. So good job for this activity. So now let's go with our next activity.
No.
What animal is this?
It's an elephant.
Elephant. Very good. And let's read the sentence. Is the elephant big or small?
Small. Very big. Oh, it's
Very
small.
big.
It's small.
No,
I
it's
think
big.
it's small. I see the picture is very small.
When you saw it
Big.
in person or when you saw it in real life, it is very big.
It's
Okay,
very
so
small.
Okay, so now let's read the sentence. The elephant
Elephant
is
is really big.
very good. Next, what animal is this? Lion. Very good, Nam. So let's see. The lion is running. What is the lion doing?
The is running.
Very good. The lion is running.
The food.
Next, what animal is
Oh,
this?
a zebra. What a zebra
Zeb-
is.
Zebra. So
What a
zebra.
zebra is.
What is the zebra doing?
No.
What is the zebra doing? The zebra. The
zebra
zebra.
is eating grass.
Very good. So the zebra is eating grass. Good job. Next, what animal is this?
Alligator.
Alligator or crocodile?
A crocodile.
Very good. So this is the crocodile. And what is the crocodile doing?
You eat from Vietnam.
You eat from Vietnam. So the
You
crocodile.
eat from Vietnam.
I
I'm
will eat.
from Philippines.
You are from Philippines. Okay, so now let's read the sentence. The crocodile is
Meat.
eating
Meat.
meat. Very good.
What
So this,
meat? Is meat cow?
I don't know what meat is that. It looks like a cow. It looks like also a pig. Pig meat. We cannot
A pig or
tell.
a cow? Silent.
Yes. Okay, next.
A
What?
fox. A fox. A fox. A fox. The fox is sleeping.
Very,
Sleeping.
very good. The fox is sleeping. So good job. Next, so we have here some questions. So can you read the questions that we have now?
Teacher, see that fox looks like a dog. Do you agree? Like a rabbit.
It looks like a
Oh, it's
rabbit.
like a rabbit.
It's like a rabbit. Very good.
It's like
So,
a teacher.
so the
It's
fox,
like them.
so the fox does,
It is like a cat. No, it is like
yes,
a dog. It is like them.
it looks like a dog also.
It's look. It's also. It's also like them.
Dog. Okay. So let's say, so the fox,
really like to eat them.
yes, looks like
Look like a rabbit, cat, and dog.
very
like the
good.
fox eat dog?
The fox eat the dog. Next, let's go.
I said the fox is dog, and you say yes.
I didn't say yes.
Yes, you say.
Okay, let's move with our next question.
No.
What no?
Because I don't want to. Because I don't want.
You don't want to?
I don't want to.
To?
I don't want to. Want to speak.
Okay, don't speak.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go with Jang.
Okay.
What are the difference between a dog and a fox? What are the difference?
It's no. It's a tiger and a cat is a friend, and a dog and a fox is not friend.
They are not friend. What is the difference? Meaning, what is the characteristics that they do?
Like a dog. You say
Yes.
Teacher, see that a fox looks like a dog, but it not look like a dog.
But Jang
It
said,
like a rabbit.
look, it looks like a dog also.
Oh, no, it's not like
Yes,
a dog.
Jang said. That's why teacher put it in here. So the fox looks like rabbit, cat, and dog. So these are the animals that the fox looks like. Okay, so for the difference between the fox and the dog, so
It's
dogs,
internet.
internet, the difference is internet. So the dog,
Internet.
so the dog lives with people as pets.
No, the fox live it no. It live no, the fox lives it the no, the
The
fox live in the 200
house
internet. The fox is in the internet.
in the internet.
It's in the computer. The
In the
fox is in
computer.
the computer.
The fox, the fox lives
The
in
fox
a
is
computer.
in the computer.
Yes, okay, so the fox.
Live in the night in the forest.
Oh, yes.
No, it's in the computer.
In a computer, yes. We use computer to play 99 Nights in the Forest. So very good. So the fox lives in a computer. But but in reality, so the foxes lives in the wild. So we cannot take them home as pets. Okay? So next. Is the elephant big or small?
Small. It's
Small.
Very small.
Elephant is really
It's
very
small.
small.
It's small. It's small. It's small.
The elephant is very small.
This.
How about you? Are you small?
Very small. I can see you in the computer.
small.
I can see you in the computer.
Okay, so
in
for
the
this
computer?
one,
You live in the
No.
computer. And
I don't.
no,
Jump.
but I see you in the computer.
You also, I can see you in a computer.
Okay, no, I don't
I can see you.
see.
I can see you. You're just hiding.
Where? I don't have.
You're hiding below the camera.
No,
Go to sleep. Sleep now.
I in I in I in the
Ina
computer.
in the computer. No, no,
I'm
no.
in front of a computer.
You're in front of the computer. Wow,
No,
very good.
On the left of the computer.
You're on the left of the computer. Okay, so for the answer for this question, so the elephant,
You can see my
very
finger,
I can see your finger.
but
So
you
the
can see me.
Yes, because you are hiding. Teacher
No, I
can
don't
see you.
hide. I don't hide. You can see me.
Me also. You can see
No.
me. Bye-bye. Joke.
You can see me. 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 You can super see me.
Oh, I can see you now. Teacher is sad. Teacher can see you.
Oh, but you don't cry. I want you cry.
No, teacher is not a crybaby.
No, you need to cry, baby. But you need to cry, teacher.
Okay, so let's
You cry.
let's
Cry.
let's finish first our lesson and
you
teacher will cry
You
later.
cry.
Later. I
Which
will try
body
after.
part of an elephant do you like most?
Okay, so which body part of the elephant do you like most? Jang,
No.
do you like the trunk? This one, this body part of the elephant? Yes or no? Do you like the trunk of the elephant? How about you, Nam?
Trả lời là
How
hơi
about
bơi.
how about you, Nam? Do you like the trunk of the elephant?
No.
No, 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 no.
No.
Yes. How about
No.
the ears?
No. The elephant is yes. It is a tractor. It is have and it's very short. A picture. It's
Picture.
very small. It's very small and very short trunk.
Very short trunk.
It is have a 1,000. Can you see me? Head. You see me, teacher?
No, I
you
can't
see
see you.
I can see you.
Okay, next.
Prayer.
Let's read
Goodbye,
the
teacher. Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, let's read the next question. My friend, say that elephants eat meat and fish. Is that correct? Do elephants eat meat and fish?
No, it can.
No.
Yes,
What?
it can. Yes, it can eat like to eat eggs and fish.
Very good. So very
The-
good, Jang. So elephants eat
Can eat
grass,
no.
plants,
It
and
can
fruit.
no. It can eat ant.
It can eat eggs.
And it can eat T. It can eat a rock.
A rat.
I guess you can. It can eat a rock and it can eat teacher.
If I can eat. Okay, so next. So for this one, the elephants, so they eat mostly plants, grass, and fruit. So they do not eat meat. So next, what animal is this?
It is a ostrich.
Yes, I can see you. I cannot see you now.
I can
Uh,
see you.
okay. What animals does the ostrich look like? What animals?
Papaya. Eat animal dung fat.
What animals?
Dung eat belly fat. Dung eat belly fat.
So for this question,
Teacher, you eat fat. You eat fat.
yes. So for this
You eat
question,
fat.
the
You eat fat.
animals that the ostrich
No,
looks
you eat
like
fat. You
are
fat.
birds. You
You
fast?
eat fat.
Very fast.
Teacher is fat. Fat.
What? I'm fat?
F-A-T.
How about you?
I'm very. Oh, I don't know. I don't fat.
You are small. You are very, very small.
You is a coconut. Is small. Small is
Small?
You eat a coconut. You eat a coconut, teacher.
Where is the coconut?
This is a coconut. You eat a coconut.
Where? Where is the coconut?
This.
This?
Này giữa là gì?
Where is the coconut?
Is
This?
big wheat.
Okay, so now let's answer this question. Is the ostrich big or small?
Small.
Small. Let's say the ostrich is
It's very small.
is very small. The ostrich is very small.
Teacher, I can
Yes, what did you say? You can?
speak and now I can't draw.
Oh no, why?
I don't know.
I don't know also. Okay, so for this one, the question is answered.
It
The,
is in
the ostrich is big because it is considered or known as the biggest
no,
bird in the world.
no, it's very
Yes,
small. Ask
it's
me.
it's very small.
Yes, it's in the computer. It's very small.
But in
It's
reality, we are talking about
it's
in
the
a
of
real
the
world.
elephant.
The elephant is also small. So next. So does ostrich lay eggs or babies?
Legs, a baby.
Or are ostrich humans?
No,
Are os
it
no.
a
Oh
it's a baby. A baby.
no. No,
A baby people really
ostrich is not a human. That's why it cannot.
it can it light up very people. Small. It
It's
can
very
like
small.
more people.
So for this one, so the ostrich, they lay eggs just like other birds. 300, what is that? 300? What is that, Jang? What is that? Jang? Okay, so let's go with our next animal. Where does a crocodile live?
It's the crocodile live in the computer.
In the computer? So the crocodile lives in
In the computer.
the plane.
In the crocodile in the computer.
What does a
It's
crocodile eat?
you is not smart. And I will and I is very smart.
Okay, so what does a crocodile eat? Do they
The
eat?
crocodile eats meat.
Very good. The crocodile eats
Can you
meat.
speak Vietnamese?
Can I? Can I what?
Can you speak Vietnamese?
What? Can
Can
you
you speak Vietnamese?
speak Vietnamese? Oh, no, teacher cannot speak
No,
Vietnamese.
why but I can speak English and you can speak Vietnamese.
I only speak English and my language, which is Tagalog.
No. Why but you why I can speak Vietnamese and speak English. Why but you can't speak Vietnamese?
Because Vietnamese is not my mother tongue. My mother tongue is Tagalog, which is the language of the Philippines. Can you speak Tagalog?
Oh, what?
No. You cannot also speak Tagalog. So teacher can also speak Vietnamese because it is not the language that I grew with. That's why I cannot speak Vietnamese. But I will try.
I
Teacher
want to
will.
speak English. I want to speak Vietnamese. And you can speak Vietnamese, but I can speak English. Why but you can speak Vietnamese?
Because Vietnamese is not my language.
Oh, no.
Oh,
You can
no.
speak Vietnamese.
No, I can't.
Oh, that. But I don't want to speak English now.
I don't
I want to
speak
speak
English.
Vietnamese.
Speak
I
Vietnamese.
want to speak Vietnamese with Giang.
Speak Vietnamese after our class because this
That
is
is my
this is
friend.
this is an English class. We should speak English because
No, we not Vietnamese. Oh, you say Vietnamese. Oh.
we should not speak Vietnamese because this
Oh,
is an English class.
we do not say we do not say Vietnamese. Or we did not speak English. Okay. The rainforest, the plants. The rainforest, the plants. The plants.
Very good. So now match. Match the words with the picture. Does the rainforest has small animals or the plains has small animals? Very good, Nam. So the rainforest, it has small animals. Okay, answer and match. Answer all of the words. Okay. Okay, very good now. So let's review it after. Jang, are you finished, Jang, with your answers?
No.
Okay, finish first. Then we will review your answers. Okay, are you finished? Finish? Okay, so now let's review your answers. So let's look with our first one. So when we say small animals, so we can see a lot of small animals at the rainforest. So very good, Nam. Yes,
No.
you can.
Thanks much now.
You can match now. You're still not finished matching.
No, I finished much, but now I can't much.
Yes,
Okay.
because we already finished. We will
Okay.
review
Okay.
your answers. So
Okay.
next,
Okay.
no.
Okay.
Okay, so next, no poison. So no poison, very good to for this no poison, so
Oh,
yes,
I can't chat and I can't draw.
you can draw because we already finished the activity.
And
How
that.
how about now?
I don't know.
Look. Okay, so let's review your answers. So no poison. So for the
But you have. Why? But you can't draw. And I can't draw. You can draw and I can't draw. So
yes. Okay, so for
Jang
Jang is
is sing.
singing. Jang is
Jang
singing.
is singing.
Is Jang's voice good?
Can you play piano?
Yes, I can play piano. How about you?
I can play piano too.
I can play piano. How about Jang? Can you play piano, Jang? Okay, so let's review your answers. So no poison. So the plain animals has no poison. Most of the rainforest animals, so they have poison. So big animals, so very good, Nam. So we can see a lot of big animals in the plains. So for poison,
The forest is very, no, the forest is many animal and place is no, no, is very very, very small animal.
Very small animal. So next, so green plant. So we
It
can see
has
a lot of green plant in the
three
rainforest.
elephants, one ostrich, one giraffe, one zebra, one fox, one crocodile, one lion, and
Wow,
the forest is one monkey, one parrot,
very good.
one
One
frog, one
frog.
um
What animal is this?
oh
It is, you don't know? This
mm,
is
I can
a
talk.
beetle.
A beetle. Okay.
Yes, very good. So that is a beetle. So next, so grass. So we can see a lot of grass in the plains. So for more water, we can see more water in the rainforest.
Bắn PC hộ con ạ.
Because most or in the rainforest, so it rains a lot. That is why rainforest is always wet. So it has a lot of water. So for big trees, so we can see big trees in the rainforest. Okay. So next,
No. I can see a big tree in the.
plains.
I can see a big tree.
Yes. So we can also see a big trees in the plains. However, so there's few big trees in the plains. On the other hand, so the rainforest has a lot of big trees. So it only has a few. Okay.
It's really very big picture.
Yes. Okay, so now let's listen. So can you hear the sound? Can you hear the sound?
Part 2. Look at the picture.
Okay, let's listen.
Listen and write a name or a number. There are 2 examples.
Okay, let's listen.
Hello. What's your name?
My name's Sam.
My name
Sam?
is
Yes,
Sam.
you spell it S-A-M.
Oh, it's in a starter.
And how old
Yes.
are you?
I'm
Yes.
7.
Starter. It's starter.
You're 7?
Teacher
Starter.
is starter.
That's right.
In starter.
Can you see the answers? Now you listen and write a name or a number. 1,
What are you doing, Sam?
I'm drawing a picture of a zoo.
I see.
Oh, this
What's the name of the zoo?
It's
in this.
Pet Zoo.
Do
Wow,
you
you have
spell
a
that?
starter.
P-E-P?
Yes,
What page it is?
that's
What page? Look for the page.
What? Teacher. Oh.
Wow, you also have a starter book. Wow. Can I see the page?
It has 112.
112 page. Wow. Have you already finished all of the pages? Where is the page, Nam? Can you see?
No.
Go find.
No.
There is none.
No, but I know it's in starter.
Yes, it's also in the starter. So now
Oh,
let's
what page
listen.
is? Teacher, what page? What
We
page?
don't-
I don't. What
we
page
don't have-
is?
We don't have a page here. So we only have a picture and a sound.
Do you know this page?
No. Teacher don't know the page because the starters has a lot of books.
Is.
Wow. Did you already finish those? Okay, so what is
and
the
write a
name?
name or a number. 1,
What are you doing, Sam?
I'm drawing a
He's
picture of
drawing.
a zoo.
I
Very good.
see. What's the name of the zoo?
What's the name of the
It's
zoo?
Pet Zoo.
Do you spell that P-E-T?
Yes, pet. That's right.
Okay, now teacher has a question. What is the name of the zoo? What is the name of the zoo? Mm, the name of the zoo is Pet. So Pet Zoo. So very good. So next, let's listen with number 2.
2,
What are your favorite animals?
Monkeys. They're very silly.
And how many are there in this zoo?
19.
19. Wow, that's a lot.
I know.
Okay, so how many monkeys are there in the zoo? 19. Very good, Nam. So there are 19 monkeys in the zoo. So now let's listen with number 3.
3,
And this is my favorite monkey.
He's really funny. Has he got a name?
Yes, it's Baby. B-A-B-Y.
It's very small. Baby is a good name for it.
Thanks.
Okay, now what is the name of the monkey? What is the name of the monkey? Wow, very good, Nam. You have a good listening skill. So what is the name of the monkey?
Baby.
Baby, very good. So now let's listen for number 4.
Con lại này thôi. Con làm xong rồi.
4,
This picture is for my teacher.
Is your teacher Mrs. Truck?
Yes,
Do you spell truck T-R-U-C-K?
yes. My classmates and I like drawing pictures for her.
Teacher,
Okay.
I can't hear.
You can?
I can't hear.
You can hear?
Yes.
Okay, so now this will be the end of our lesson. So we have here
Here.
2 slides left.
It's
So
9
for this
o'clock,
one,
teacher.
yes?
9 o'clock.
Yes, it's already 9 o'clock. So this will be the end of our lesson. So thank you so much, Nam and Jang, for your participation in today's lesson, and see you again soon.
Bye bye. Okay, bye
Bye-bye.
tuổi. Bye tuổi.